Well, while this week's blizzard brought serious headaches to much of the Northeast, from travel delays to power outages, there were some silver linings.
And some pretty cute silver linings at that. There were no complaints from the Atlantic harbor seals and the California sea lions at the New England Aquarium in Boston. They loved this snow. The aquarium said the snow gave its marine mammals some valuable fresh opportunities for exploration. The snowfall this week has been a form of what the animal care team at the aquarium calls environmental enrichment, meaning it encourages positive behaviors in the marine mammals, like investigating new textures, scents, and surfaces. Plus, the aquarium says it adds some variety to the animals' environment, keeping them physically engaged and mentally active. Looks like a fun snow day for them.
Yeah, it's nice to see them happy about it.
Yeah, very cute.
I like how they wave at us.